In this video, I will show you how to use the automatic subtitles feature. First, please click on Create New Project. Here, I will close the edit mode and go directly into the editor. To upload, I've dragged and dropped the prepared video clip. Select a video clip, go to the Trim menu, and press this button. Press the subtitle button here. Select the language and press the Confirm. It leads you to generate subtitles. You can press the plus button to zoom in and view the content. Now press the Auto Split button to apply it to the slide. Please press the next button. Now, each sentence is split to a medium length, but they can be shortened or lengthened. Additionally, you can maintain or remove silent sections in between. You can check if the sections are divided properly using the space key.
Spanish speakers. In English, it's fine to...
Let's press the Apply button to bring it to the slide. With the entire slide selected, I will change the text style. And we'll adjust the options so that the text appears line by line. Let's preview it in this state.
You ask German and Spanish speakers to, say, describe a bridge. Bridge happens to be grammatically feminine in German, grammatically masculine in Spanish. German speakers.
I have introduced the automatic subtitle feature simply like this. After setting up the initial captions, you can unleash your creativity by freely customizing each slide with different elements and styles to create your unique video.